Today I want to share with you my top 3 holdings in each of my 4 investment accounts. It's going to be Trading 212, Hargreaves Lansdown, eToro, and my FU portfolio on Interactive Broker. So here I'm going to share what's also changed during the last 4 weeks of my investment journey. Hi, my name is Alex Ko. Welcome to Family Investment Channel. Here I really want to give you true value and for your time spent on my video here. So what is so special about this video? I think the key point is not just showing you the top 3 of my stocks that I hold because I believe in concentrated portfolio, which I've shown in this video here previously, but also the fact on how I juggle between 4 different investment personal portfolio, because each investment portfolio has got its own identity, it's got its own strategy, and makes it so easy for me to juggle on a daily basis. So let's get to the point. Let's start off with Trading 212. Trading 212, I would say, is one of my favorite broker because it's commission free, it's fast, and it's got heaps of stocks that you can choose from those mega cap, hyper growth to SPAC and IPO stocks. So the variety is great. So let me quickly start with you. On Trading 212, my top 3 holdings are Tesla. I hold about 15 Tesla. The second one is Fiverr. I hold about 38 Fiverr. And finally, I've got PayPal. I've got 16 PayPal. So these are my top 3 which I regularly top up. I'm not there to sell, I'm there to consume the volume. But everything else below, I will be swinging. But so far, last week, I've added lmnd 21, which is slowly catching up to PayPal. And I've also added lmnd because it is semiconductor play, which I really believed in for the next 5 years. So what's happened in the last 4 weeks? What have I sold? So I've took profit off Okta. During the dip I bought it, it gone up. I took profits. I took profits of Snow. I took profits of Plug Power. I took profits of Airbnb where I bought really cheap, about 140. And also I took about 5% profit off DKNG DraftKings. So these are the ones that I swing, and when I make profit, I go buy one of these top 3 stocks. And recently I've been buying a lot of Lemonade, and soon Lemonade will be catch up with PayPal, and who knows, Lemonade will be my top 3 stocks. But I still like PayPal's TCs and longevity. Okay, on my second portfolio, which is my eToro account. Okay, eToro is one that's changing my life. With this copy portfolio, people are copying me now. I've got about 60 to 70 people copying me. I'm managing all between $100 to $200,000 of everybody else's money. Okay, so my top 3 holding is, number 1 is Tesla, about 13.68%, Nintendo about 7.92%, and finally is RK ETF about 6.7%. So this is a bit unusual. I have to make sure I keep the risk minimum, therefore I cannot buy my other favorite hypergrowth stocks. So recently I've added Lemonade, Ferrari, Roku, Neo, AMD, and Lockheed Martin, just to keep a bit of a good balance, because I need to be responsible as other people are copying me, and I need to keep the volatility and the risk down as low as possible. And now cash holdings is about 21%. Hopefully in the next few days, if it goes up again, I'm going to take more profit, increase my cash. I think cash is king on this active swing account. So this is me on eToro. Feel free to click the link below to join eToro, or copy me, or even watch me on what I do on a daily basis. Before I go to the next segment, please remember you can always join me on my new Telegram channel, which I showcase and share every single day. I share almost 3 to 4 times a day on those latest news or on the latest trend that I see that benefits my followers, or on a personal Discord exclusive members channel only. So see you there. And now on number 3 is my FU portfolio. Okay, so the top 3 for this is I've got Pins. Pins I've held for a long time, 1,000 shares of Pins, which is one of the biggest holdings I've across all accounts, and I've got 76 Fiverr, and recently I've added a lot of Upwork, 350 Upwork, which Fiverr and Upwork are my favorite freelancing stock. I'm always topping up when they are on the dip. That's why they're my 3 top favorite in this FU large volume account. This is the account which holds about 6 figure of my portfolio, my biggest holdings. In this account, the cash holdings is about 20%, healthy 20%. So I'm just waiting for the right moment to buy the right stock. I'm not in a rush, but cash is king. And finally, my Hargreaves Lansdown account. This used to be the account where I keep my dividend. It used to be my dividend reaping portfolio, but that all has changed in April, May during the COVID-19 crash because dividend is dead. So now I'm into hypergrowth, and this is where I keep my mega cap stocks where trading's at minimum, where I buy and just long-term hold, and I'm not in my cash account almost zero here because it's all fully invested. So the top 3 in this account is my NVIDIA. I've got 56 NVIDIA stock in this portfolio, followed by 27 Tesla, followed by 140 Apple stocks. I also hold Square and Amazon in this account. So these are my 5 quite big, large account that I hold. But the only recently I'm thinking Amazon's gone really stagnant. Should I be selling Amazon to buy something else? So if I need cash, I could easily redeem Amazon because I'm up about 5 to 6%, and they hover sometimes up to 10 and back to 5 again. So I could easily redeem Amazon if I need to. So this is me on my full portfolio and sharing my top 3, because top 3 is all about buying when they're always on the dip, and everything else is just to be swing trade, just for buy low, sell high. I think holding a concentrated portfolio is really important. That's how you make your gain, that's how you make your yield. And if you do want to check it out, check out my best favorite strategy and how I do it. And it works. Concentrated portfolio works. And if you want to go high risk, you can as well. If you make sure that you only keep 15 to 20% only for high risk, and make sure you keep plenty of cash at the side. That's my strategy. Keep it simple, very easy to manage. So I hope you do like this video. Please click like and subscribe. Hopefully I can share with you more amazing adventures on my investing journey, my road to financial flexibility, and also more time with my family.
Alright, before I say goodbye, please do like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and if you want, support me on Patreon as well, so I can produce content like this every single day for you guys, to give you guys value. So please do share this video to help us grow our YouTube channel, yeah? Alright guys, 3, 2, 1, bye bye!